Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 4 seasons wall hanging wire tree. If you love the beauty of every season, you're in the right place. If you're new to wire tree making, this kit is perfect for you. I've put together everything you'll need to make this 4 seasons tree. It's a great option if you're just starting out and want to see if wire tree making is your thing before committing to all the materials. These kits are also perfect for crafting parties or get-togethers with friends. You can find a direct link to the kits in the description below, and you can also find a link to my website and socials. Inside your kit, you will find a 10-inch hoop, pre-cut wire, beads for every season, short pieces to attach the tree to the hoop, some extra practice strands to get a good feel for the beads and twisting, a QR code with the link to this video, and additionally you can also purchase pliers and wire cutters to add to your kit if you don't already have them at home. If you're not using the kit, that's totally fine. You can still make this tree with a few simple things. You will need a 10-inch hoop, 3mm beads in white, light green, and 2 shades of pink, 4mm beads in light green and dark green, 4mm beads in yellow, orange, and red, and 4mm beads in white, 20 gauge aluminum brown wire, a measuring tape, pliers, and wire cutters. To start, cut your wire to a length of 40 inches. You will need a total of 72 strands. Time to mix your beads together. For the spring mix, combine your 2 shades of pink with light green and white beads. For the summer mix, blend your light green and dark green beads together. For the autumn mix, combine your red, orange, and yellow beads. And finally, for the winter mix, take your white beads and... just kidding. Now you're ready to start making your branches. Divide your wire into 4 groups of 18 for each season. Since the spring branches have smaller beads, it will be the only one that needs 30 beads per branch. The rest of the seasons will need 15 beads per branch. Grab your first strand and then fold the wire in half. Starting with the spring beads, add 30 beads onto your strand. Now bring the beads to the middle of your wire. Each strand will have 5 leaves made up of 6 beads each. Grab the 6 beads in the middle and twist them to separate from the rest. Then give it about 7 to 10 twists to make it about the length of the tip of your finger. On one side, gather the next 6 beads and pull. Make sure it's shorter than the middle one and twist it down to the base. Do this again on the other side. Now twist it down the middle about 4 times. And do it again with the remaining beads and make sure they are about the same length as the top 2 sides. Now on to the summer branch. Fold the wire in half and then add on 15 beads. Each strand will have 5 leaves. Grab the 3 beads in the middle and twist them to separate from the rest. Then give it about 7 to 10 twists to make it about the length of the tip of your finger. Then on the side, gather the next 3 beads and pull. Make sure it's shorter than the middle one. And twist it down to the base. Do this again on the other side. Now twist down the middle about 4 times. Do it again with the remaining beads and make sure they are about the same length as the top 2 sides. Do the same for all of the autumn and winter branches. By now, you should have a lovely bouquet of branches like this. Starting with the spring branches, start by grabbing 2 branches and twisting them together. Do about 3 twists. You don't want to do too many because they won't fit in the hoop. Do this for all the spring branches until they are all paired up. Next, grab 2 of those pairs, twist them together like this, about 2 twists. Then you will add a 3rd branch like so. Do this for the rest of the pairs. Now do the same thing with the last 3 branches. Now your spring branches are done. Do the same for each season. Once those are done, grab spring and summer and twist them together. Then, grab autumn and winter and twist them together. And finally, twist those together. And there you go, your tree is done. For this next part, it is important that you attach the tree to the hoop before you start the roots. Line up the leaves with the hoop and make sure that both sides are touching the hoop. If your tree is too narrow or too wide, you can gently adjust your branches like this. On one side, grab a leaf and pull it just over the edge of the hoop. Then, grab a piece of wire about 2 inches long, put one side on the inside of the hoop and the other on the outside with the leaf in the middle, and then twist it on like this. Now do the same with the other side and make sure the tree stays centered. Once it's tied down, the tree may need to be shifted up or down to fit in the hoop properly. Once it's in there nicely, pick a branch in the middle and tie it down as well. Now you should be able to shake the hoop without the tree coming loose. If it is still loose, then you can add more wires to tie it down. Now to do the roots. Measure about 2 inches from the hoop and start evenly dividing the wire up into 5 sections. Then, divide each into 2 sections and give each 2 twists. You want to make sure they aren't too long or you will run out of space for the rest of the roots before the end of the hoop. Now, divide each of those into 2 and give those 2 twists as well. Now twist each section all the way down. All the roots should look something like this. Starting from the left, grab the root and wrap it around the hoop once, like this. Do this with the rest and make sure not to wrap them too close together because the final loops will need room. It should look something like this. Even with them all wrapped on, you may still need to adjust them as you go to make them all fit properly. Next, you're going to twist the root and curl it into a loop like this. Then, tuck the excess underneath and cut it off. press down on the loop so it's flat. Make sure to do this carefully because the wire can be sharp. Now do this with the rest of the roots. And now your beautiful roots are done. Now that the roots are done, it is time to finalize the top. Flip it on its front, and with your pliers, twist it really tight, and then wrap it around the hoop like so. And then cut it here. Then press down on the wire, and use the pliers to flatten it against the hoop to make sure that it's not sticking out. Make sure you use caution with this step because the wire can be sharp. Repeat this step all the way around the tree. And there you go, your tree is done. I hope you had as much fun as I did making your wire tree, and hopefully this will be the start of your next addiction. If you have any questions at all, you can leave them down in the comments below. And if you did make a tree, please share it. I absolutely love seeing how everyone puts their own spin on it. If you want to keep learning and making with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps me out and lets me know you want more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and for spending time creating something beautiful today, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy twisting!